Hi, baking friends! Let's get to it. Today we are doing a brown, green, and white evergreen cake with a striped design. After adding our colors on the cake, smooth out the frosting a bit so it's all at the same level or height. Since we're adding texture, there is no need to make the smoothing completely seamless. Using a sculpting tool or spatula, make slightly curved stripes from the center to the outside edge of the cake. Only press hard enough to make the pattern, but not to touch the cake under the frosting. Clean off the tool after each swipe to ensure the stripe is well defined. On the sides of the cake, do the same stripe effect from bottom to top, moving around the entire cake. Again, perfection is not needed, just a bit of whimsy. This design is usually only done using 2 colors, like the green and white. But why not try 3? I thought we could use a bit more green, so I went around the cake again, this time only swiping from the green band of frosting upward. Using a shell tip, add a top border in an S pattern. In a continuous motion, create inner and outer S curves along the top edge of the cake. Make small S curves directly under the first border, making it as close to the first as possible. Now it's time to add the gold touches. Just a few edible gold pearls on top makes this cake pop. I chose pearls as opposed to glitter to make the design a bit more elegant. In this case, there's no such thing as too many pearls. Let's add some gold leaf. Firstly, chill your cake before this step. It makes application so much easier. Secondly, it probably goes without saying, but it's important to use edible gold leaf and not one meant for inedible art. And finally, I found that the best way to apply gold leaf is using a clean, dry brush. Otherwise, it can become a sticky mess. Place the gold leaf by gently touching the leaf sheet and then apply to the surface to which you want it to stick. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.